Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys. So thank you so much for helping us break 5,000 subscribers, guys. We're going to be giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin when we break 10,000 subscribers. So please subscribe now. I want to thank you all so much for all the support you've been giving Crypto Kip and I and the Crypto Report. I can't wait to continue this journey with you guys. So let's hop into this video. So I want to first start off with I made a tweet over on Black Sea Twitter. Crazy that markets have been beaten up so badly that anything not negative is good. And I was saying this in reference to Jerome Powell speaking about not raising interest rates. So Jerome Powell came out and said they said he signaled the Federal Reserve will slow pace of rate rises next month, which is great. It's great that we're going to stop raising rates, but that doesn't mean we're not going to continue. We're gonna slow the raise of rates. We're going to continue raising rates, but you know, that's negative news. But when you look comparatively to what's been going on for the past year, maybe even more, that's positive news because it's not severely negative. It's actually crazy that we've gotten to this point in the overall market and the economy. It's actually absurd. So if we have a point 0.5, it's kind of like conditioning, if somebody is used to getting stepping on a sharp stick every day, and then that sharp stick gets a little bit smaller, you're like, oh, this isn't that bad. It's actually crazy. The economy's getting conditioned to the pain. It's pretty interesting. But hey, I'll take the bullish moves. I'll take the Federal Reserve being dovish, and we have it, and we're and investors being more comfortable with investing in risk assets because that will increase the price of crypto.com, Bitcoin, and other risk on assets like big tech. It's good. It's a good thing. I mean, it's still bearish, but the Federal Reserve pivoting slightly, or maybe not even pivoting, but talking more dovish is good. That we want to see that. We really want to see that. So that affected the market kind of in a weak way, but yesterday when the news broke, we did have some volatility going on in the overall markets. Right now, Bitcoin is above 17,000. We were trading between 16,500 for a while for Bitcoin over the past week, but we do have some green moves. Let's take a look at Crypto.com. So we did get this green candle in the past day. Let's measure this out. I believe it was about 5%. About 6%. Yeah, we had a 6% move because of the dovish talk. It's pretty exciting, honestly. I would love to see us drop the rates. And, historically, though, I will sprinkle a little bit of bearish talk on here because it's the appropriate thing to do. But historically, when the Fed starts to actually cut rates, is usually when we have a drawdown in the overall market in like the S&P 500, which is just something to keep in the back of your mind because the saying of that history doesn't repeat but it rhymes. I like to keep that in the back of my head because I will say that the past few years is unprecedented times. We've had ridiculous things happening to the economy in the stock market. It hasn't been like this before. The rate in which we increased the rates, it's actually incredible. So keep that in mind, though, that the first time the Fed starts to cut rates is usually when we have a drawdown in the overall S&P 500. And you guys know that the S&P 500 in the traditional stock market definitely brings down the crypto market. Hopefully, when that does happen, it will be the glorious day of decoupling and Bitcoin will go up while the stock market's coming down, but it's just something to think about. And so in my previous videos, I had a triangle formation here. I got rid of that because we broke out. We kind of just been trading. It's just been elongating because there hasn't been much volatility. I mean, you can see it a lot more clearly in the 4-hourly here. We're just trading sideways, guys. Trading sideways in this tiny, tiny channel inside of this larger channel of the 10 cents range and the 5.5 cents range. Trading in this range, it's probably going to be like this for a little while, guys, until we have a bigger move over on Bitcoin. So I want to show you the Bitcoin price chart right now. It would be very, very nice to break back into this asymmetrical triangle on Bitcoin. If we could break back into this, it'd be very bullish. It'd be very, very bullish. If we could close above the 18,000 mark, that would be where I'd be turning a little bit more bullish on the overall crypto space. But we did have a green candle. I mean, we broke out of this little tiny formation out here. I could draw lines on it, but I mean, you guys get the picture of it down there. Let's just measure out from these candles because these green candles were the breakout point. Yeah, like a 6% pump on Bitcoin is pretty nice after low volatility and trading downwards to the side. Like that's I'm happy to see that. And we're having the momentum coming back up. That's good. That's really good. We want to see this increase. We want to see this keep coming. We want to see this keep coming up. So let's look at the the monthly time frame. So we did have the monthly candle close yesterday on top of the Federal Reserve signals. So that did give us that volatile move that I was talking about previously in the past few videos, that we did have that breakout and we did go to the upside, which is thankfully it was a upside break and not to the downside. We did start off this month in a red candle though for Bitcoin, and that's a-okay. It is the first day of the month, guys, so don't stress about that. This is the halvening chart I have right here. Guys, every monthly candle close, we get closer and closer. Next month will be 365 days for leading up to the Bitcoin halving, approximately 365 days. You know, I've been preaching it. That's where we give all the hype. That's where we have all of the hype. We'll start to build back up. We should be bottomed out by that time. Whether we already hit the bottom at 60, what do we hit? It's 15,800. Whether we hit that or if we come back down before then, but we should hit the bottom if we haven't already, leading up to 365 days to the next halving. So keep that in mind, guys. Just keep that in mind. But I also want to say we just partnered up with BitGet. I'm really excited about this. We are offering, they give up to a $4,500 trading bonus. All you have to do is click this link, deposit, open a trade, and you can get a lot of free money. We also have FEMEX and a lot of other referral links. So if you want a bunch of free money, just scroll down to the bottom of this video and check that out. And once again, guys, if you stuck around this far, please give me a like, subscribe. I really appreciate it. We are flying. Our channel is blowing up, and I'm really excited to be on this journey with you guys. So I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.